Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the power off charging mode on Insta360 X5. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then click on Settings in the top right corner. Now go down until you find Power Off Charging and you can set it to Charge Only, so when you plug the device into charging, it'll only charge. You can set it to Charge and Power On, so when you plug it into charging, it'll power on the device automatically. You can also do Charge and Record, and that will start recording once you plug in your device. You can enable or disable stop recording when power source disconnected. You can change the shooting mode, shooting parameters, and image parameters. And I think that mode is extremely helpful if you are, for example, for whatever reason, using this as your car camera. You're probably not, but in some other scenarios when you want the device to stop recording whenever you plug it in, you can enable that and adjust all the different settings. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.